Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we shall look at how to convert hexadecimal number to decimal number in simple ways using two examples on which they are already in hexadecimal form. First example is about bid, which is already in hexadecimal form. Now you must note that hexadecimal, it is made up of 16 digits, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So there are 16 digits from 0. Now, instead of writing 10, we write A. Instead of writing 11, we write B. 12, we write C. 13, we write D. 14, we write E. And 15, we write F. So, from A is 10, B 11, C 12, D 13, 14 E, 15 F. So we write A, B, C, D, E, F. And in decimal side, we start from 0 to 9, which is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. They are decimal, representing decimal numbers because they are 10 on. So we have two example, bid and addef. Let's start with the bids, which is in hexadecimal form already. So it will be B, E, A, D. I have written the number again. So write it down the place value for each digit. So place value of D, it is 16, 0, 16, 1, 16, 2, 16, 3. So we move from 0, from right hand side to, from left hand side to right hand side, from 0 to 3. So 16, 0, 16, 1, 2, 3. So multiply each digit with place value. So we multiply each digit with its place value. B times 16, 3. It is divided by 3. So E multiplied by 16 by 2. 16 divided by 1 times A. And vice versa, but is the same. It's the same too. So D multiplied by 16 divided by 0 is 16 divided by 1 times A. E times 16 raised by 2. B times 16 raised by power 3. So from there we have said B is 11. So B, it is 11 multiplied by 16 3 power 3. E it is 14 multiplied by 16 power 2. 16 power 1 multiplied by A is 10. It is 10. D it is 13. So 13 multiplied by 16 power 0. Now let's see the product of these numbers. So 11 multiplied by 16 power 11 multiplied by 16 power 3. It is 45 or 56. 45 or 56. 0, 56. What about 14 times 16 power 2? 14 times 14. 14 times 16 power 2. It is 35, 84. So into brackets 35, 84. What about 16 power 1? 16 power 1 multiplied by 10. So 16 power 1 multiplied by 10, it is 160. What about 13 times 16 power 0? Power 0 annualized by 0, it is 1. So 13 times 1, it is 13. From that, you find the sum. You add all the number of all the products. So it is 45 or 56. You add 35, 84. You add 160. You add 13. Let's see, 45 or 35 or 56. 35 or 56. You add 35. 50. You add 35, 84. You add 160. Then you add 13, which is 48, 8, 13. Base 10. So this is our decimal. It is equivalent. So our number was bid hexadecimal is equivalent to 48, 8, 13 decimal. That's the day. Let's go to our next example, which is ADEF base 16, which is in hexadecimal. We are converting to decimal, from hexadecimal to decimal. So we write the number again. It is ADEF. We write the place value of these numbers. They are 16, starting from the left, 16 0, 16 1, 16 2, 16 3. Then you multiply 16 3 times A, 16 2 power 2 times D, 16 power 1 times E, then 16 power 0 times F, 16 power 3 times A, 16 power 2 times D, 16 power 1 times E, 16 power 0 times F, 16 power 3 times our A is 10, so it is 10. 16 power 2 times D, our D is 13. 16 power 1 times E, our E is 14. 16 power 0 times F, it is 15. It is 15. From there you add the product, but first of all let we get the product. 16 power 3, 16 power 3 times 10, it is 40 960. 40 960. What about 16 power 2 times 13? 16 power 2 times 13, which is 33 28. 16 power 1 times 16 power 1, it is 16 times 14. So 16 times 14, it is 224. What about 16 power 0? Our number is by 0, it is 1. So 1 times 15, it is 15. Then you perform addition. 40 960. You add 33 28. You add 224. You add 15, which is 40 960. 40 960 plus 33 28 plus 224 plus 15. It is 44 527. 44 527. So A D E F hexadecimal, it is equivalent to 44 527 decimal. Thank you. Remember to subscribe, comment, share. Thank you.